Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the same Google account and phone number that created the backup. This is non-negotiable. Next, open Google Drive and check the last WhatsApp backup date, and also look for local backup file. Crypt 12 in your phone storage. This gives you options. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi, battery above 50%, and free storage so the restore won't fail. Once done, proceed to uninstall or install WhatsApp as the next step. You reinstall WhatsApp and grant the app permissions for storage and contacts. This lets it find backups. When prompted, verify your phone number with the SMS code or call. Verification links the app to Google Drive. Allow WhatsApp to access your Google account so it can list available backups. Choose the Drive backup if available, or pick the local backup when Drive is absent. Let the restore run. Large backups take longer, so keep the device away. Once the restore process completes, WhatsApp will import messages and then download media. Wait until both parts finish, and don't force close the app. If Google Drive restore fails, switch to the local. Crypt 12 backup, move the correct file to /WhatsApp/databases and reinstall, making sure the phone number and Google account match. If problems persist, verify storage space, confirm app permissions, check the backup file name matches format, and retry. These steps solve most restore issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.